Okay, so I'm starting a new 10K challenge with FTMO. We've got the challenge here, two-step challenge, $10,000, and I'm going to be documenting everything on this channel. So I've set the account up. I've actually got it logged into MT5, and I'm going to be putting a couple of trades on today. So I'm just going to come over to TradingView. And as I say, there's a couple of trades that we're going to be entering today. Now we've got one here, we've got our moving average cross, we've got our breaker structure here, and we're waiting for this to pull back. We've got AUD USD, which I've been waiting on for about a week. We're going to be entering this one, looking to enter here. We've got our breaker structure, and then we're looking to pull back to the 61%. And then we've got Euro GBP, which again, we've got our breaker structure. We're looking for it to pull back here. And GBP JPY, I'm actually in this on another account, but we've missed our entry. So unless it pulls back into this area, then I'm not going to be looking to enter that for this challenge. So as I say, 10K FTMO. I wanted to document everything on this channel. I know there's a whole kind of ton of people that claim that they're documenting everything, and I want to document everything on this channel. So it's going to be all the trades, the mindset, everything that goes with it. Okay, we're going to be starting off risking 1%. We're going to see how that goes, then maybe drop it to 0.5% once we get to 5% in drawdown, if we get to 5% in drawdown, and we'll kind of manage our risk accordingly. Okay, so for the minute, we're going to be entering these three trades. We're going to be doing 1% on every trade and documenting everything here. So I wanted to create this video as kind of a kickoff video. I did something similar, I think it was about a year ago. I actually passed that challenge, never got round to finish the documenting side of things. My YouTube channel has been a little bit kind of up and down, I suppose, over the last few months, but I want to get this back on track. I want to start posting regularly again. And I thought a good way that I could start doing that was to post everything about this challenge, post the trades that I'm in, post the trades that I'm thinking about. These are the pairs that I'm trading at the moment. We've only got one strategy right now, but we're going to be looking to add possibly another strategy into the mix, because I do think it's good to have a strategy or two so that you're trading different market conditions. You're not just waiting for one thing all the time. As I say, everything that I'm doing is on the 4-hour chart. I'm not interested in trading anything less than that. The 5-minute, 15-minute is it's just not for me. I can set this up. I've got other businesses that I run. I can set this up in the mornings, in the evenings when I get home, and it doesn't really impact the time that I've got to sit on the charts. If I was trading the 1 minute, the 5-minute, I'd have to be sat here for hours on end every single day. And even if I had the time, it's just not really something that floats my boat. It's not something that I want to do. So that's where we're up to. If you want to follow along with this journey, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment below. Let me know if there's anything you kind of want me to add into this journey, anything that you want to know about. I will be doing other videos on my strategy, on back testing. We're just going to be kind of going with the flow a little bit. I've got a few videos mapped out, but as I say, anything you guys want to find out more about, want to know how I manage something, all the rest of it, leave me a comment below and I'll make sure I get your questions answered in the next video. As I say, hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along, and I will talk to you in another video real soon. Take care.